In this video, I'll show you how to check CPU performance on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button or the taskbar, then select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see different tabs at the top. Click on the Performance tab. Now wait a few seconds and you'll see your system performance details. On the left side, click on CPU. This will show you your CPU usage, speed, and overall performance in real time. If another option like memory, disk, or GPU is selected, simply click on CPU to switch to it. Keep in mind, Task Manager shows CPU performance and usage, not the exact temperature. That's it. This is how you can check CPU performance on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.